Alright, we just did a full teardown of the Z Flip 3. And I mean full teardown. Here we have the OLED. Here we have side 1, side 2. Then we have the sheet of glass with the mini OLED and the camera covers. We have the other side, all the screws, some graphene film, loudspeaker, charging subboard, main board. It is a dual layer. It's a dual layer board. Some brackets, some other things, SIM trays, and SIM card, power button, 5G antenna, front camera, both of the batteries, the smaller and the larger, charging coil, wireless charging coil, some brackets and some brushes for the hinges and screen, the spine, and another spine, and the hinges, and the back plate. That's it. That's the Z Flip 3.